Let's take a look at how we can create reports on the events page. Now, reports are very important because essentially what they allow us to do is string together a bunch of different searches so that we pull out of the 2,000 transactions we currently have, we pull only the transactions that we're looking for. So a good example of this is to create a report surrounding discounts. Now, most businesses I've spoken to have a policy in which you can only apply, employees can only receive one employee discount. And what I mean by that is this. So if I search manager right now, I'm able to do that because I know in this environment, my manager discounts show up with the word manager in it. So I type in manager. Now I'm left with transactions which include a discount manager. But I also want to see anytime there's a staff discount on the same transaction as a manager discount. So I simply add in the word staff because I know that when a staff discount is applied, it appears with the word staff in the line item. And now what the system is doing is it's showing me every transaction in my environment that has both discount manager and discount staff on the same transaction. If I were to type these in one after another without creating that separation, it would not return any results because it is looking for the line, not throughout the entire receipt. So you do need to keep in mind to separate the two different fields that you want to make sure will pop up if you search on any individual receipt, which is discount manager and discount staff. Now, this is a clear-cut case of policy abuse as it relates to employee discounts. So this is a good example of a report that I would like to save and I would like to be notified of whenever it happens. So the next step is to select the Save Report button. And I'll simply add the name for this report, which will be any manager and staff discount on same transaction. And now I will input that as my description as well. Now I could set this as public, which will be open to any users that have access to my environment, or private, which would just be for me. Now I'm going to keep it as a private. And now I want to select push. Now I'm selecting push notification because as you can see in the top left corner, we only have about one transaction that appeared. So we don't have too many. We're not going to be inundated with notifications. But this is a good example in which I would like to receive an instant notification sent through my mobile device to let me know anytime a staff member uses both a manager discount and staff discount on the same transaction. Next step is to click save. And just like that, you're done. Now, when I remove these search filters and I open up my report drawer, on the list under private reports, any manager and staff discount on the same transaction, I select that and it will feed the search results from when I did that original search. And now we've actually set this up by selecting the push notification as a constantly monitored situation in which we will be notified anytime any of the criteria from that report are met. And that's how easy it is to create reports.